So hey friend, I get it. You're an influencer. You're a content creator. You help people live a better version of themselves. Whether you're just educating, inspiring, or whether you're just entertaining people, you have a message. And the way that you've monetized that message is typically through affiliate offers. So you go to platforms, you go to networks, and you find offers that are in alignment with your message, and you seek to get commissions for those. Let's just take the Jungle River in South America. It's a marketplace that is full of affiliate links where you can make money on referring people to everyday products. Here's how it used to work. You used to send traffic to that marketplace and they would pay you a ton of money over a 30-day period on anything that person bought. But over time, those commissions have dwindled down to next to nothing. And now you're looking for new ways to monetize your following. And that's why we at TrulyFreeMarket.com are changing the game. My name is Steven Ezell. I'm the founder here at Truly Free Market, and I'm here to tell you that we are going to change your business. Here's how it works. When you send traffic, when you send a customer through your partner link to Truly Free Market, we are going to give you commissions for 6 months on anything that person buys. That's right, a minimum of 5%. And there are sellers that are on our platform that are increasing those commissions to 10, 20, 30% and even more, because they care about you. They know that you have a message and they believe that their products will empower your community to live a better life, and that's why they're going to incentivize you to make you a ton of money. So from now on, I want you to think about how you can monetize Truly Free Market and help your community live a truly free life. Somewhere on this page there's a link. Click it, head over, sign up for our partners program. It's super simple. Earn 6-month commissions on anything that person buys. You're gonna get an account at Truly Free Social. You'll have your own new social media channel where you can recruit followers, build another list, and monetize that list. Imagine creating a cooking show, and with one click, your viewers can add all those ingredients to cart and you get paid a commission on anything that person buys. Friends, we are changing the game for influencers, for content creators, and for affiliates, and you get in at the ground floor and you can make a ton of money on a free speech, free platform that empowers your community to live a truly free life. So that's it. This video is over. We have work to do. Click the link, head over, sign up for the Partners Program, and start earning huge commissions empowering your community to live a truly free life. Okay, friends, click the link, head over, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now.